Hi, my name is Mike Polkowski. I'm the Director of Manufacturing at Crayola's Lehigh Valley Industrial Park plant. We're about 200,000 square feet. We manufacture watercolors, paints, compounds, and we do some kitting at the plant as well.
My name is Alek Farkas. I have a background in industrial engineering. I've been here at Crayola for about 5 years. My role here at Crayola is a continuous improvement engineer. Basically, that's working with manufacturing and operations teams or throughout the entire enterprise to improve our systems and processes to give our customers the greatest possible value for our products.
Hi, my name is Joel Stem. Right now I am currently a team manager in training with Crayola. I've been here for the past 17 years, and everything that you see behind me is essentially mine.
When we're hiring employees, we look for attention to detail, reliability, a little bit of mechanical aptitude, because we're counting our employees to maintain the quality that you look for in Crayola products.
So what's so cool about manufacturing is that when I started here 16 years ago, I started in a line just putting things in a box. And through that time, Crayola has given me the opportunity to not only learn a trade, but to send me back to college and give me the opportunity to become something that I never thought I would have, which is a career instead of a job.
That's what's cool about manufacturing.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.